Hi viewers, this is D. Srinivas in front of you. Today, our previous topic, extension of our previous topic, basics of trigonometry was completed. Today, extension of the topic, the specific relationship between the trigonometric ratios. Relationship between the trigonometric ratios. In that, we are going to discuss some more beautiful note points are there. First one, the reciprocal relationship between the certain trigonometric ratios. The reciprocal relationship between the certain trigonometric ratios. Let us see. Relationship between the trigonometric ratios. Okay. In the first point, we are going to discuss relationship between the trigonometric ratios. In that first point, reciprocal relationship. Reciprocal relationship between reciprocal relationship between certain trigonometric ratios. Yes, certain trigonometric ratios. TRS simply we can say the trigonometric ratio. Let us draw a triangle. Yes, let us draw a triangle. Let us draw a right angle triangle. Name of the right angle triangle is ABC. Right angle at B. Right angle at B. The theta at C. The theta represent at C. You know, perpendicular side of theta is called opposite side. Perpendicular side of 90 degrees is called hypotenuse. Okay, children. Next, remaining one is called adjacent side. Adjacent side. By doing this diagram, we have to find first sine theta. As you know, by childhood knowledge, the length of BC, length of AB, length of CA, we have to denote by small case letters, which are BC denoted by small a, AC denoted by small b, AB denoted by small c. Here, here sin theta is equals, as you know, Osha Chota. Yes, as we know, Osha Chota, it will give the perfect trigonometric information to us. Sin theta means opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos theta means adjacent side by hypotenuse. Now, similarly, tan theta means opposite side by adjacent side. This is the very easiest word we have derived in previous classes. Okay, now come to the point. Sin theta equals O by H. O by H, opposite side by hypotenuse. With respect to this diagram, AB by AC, nothing but length of AB divided by C, length of AC divided by B. Okay. Sin theta equals opposite side by hypotenuse, finding the trigonometric ratio, first ratio. According to, with respect to this diagram, OS means AB, H means AC. AB by AC. AB also no, AB also divided by C. AC length also divided by B. So C by B. Next, cosec theta. As you know, on the day I told you, cosec theta is nothing but reciprocal of sin theta. It means hypotenuse by opposite side. Right? Hypotenuse nothing but AC. Opposite side is AB. Length of AC nothing but B. Length of AB nothing but C. Now you see, now I am going to do reciprocal relationship between certain trigonometric ratios. Sin theta into cosec theta, that is equals sin theta value, simply we can say that C by B into cosec theta value, we know that B by C. So B B C C get cancelled, we should get 1. So sin theta into cosec theta equals to 1. So thus sin and cosec theta both are reciprocal each other. Thus we can say that sin theta equals to 1 by cosec theta, or cosec theta is also called as 1 by sin theta. Cosec theta shortcut notation CSC theta also. Sin theta equals to 1 by cosec theta. Cosec theta equals to 1 by sin theta. This is the information about reciprocal relation between trigonometric ratios are there, sin, cos, tan. It's a reciprocal cosec, sec, cot. Let us go with cos theta and reciprocal of secant theta we want to discuss. Now cos theta. Cos theta. According to diagram, cos theta. As you know cos theta? Yes, see, A by H, adjacent side by hypotenuse. With respect to the diagram, with respect to the adjacent side is BC and hypotenuse side is AC. You know very well. BC value, length of BC denoted by small case letter A, length of AC denoted by B. Right? Next, cosec secant theta. Secant theta or sec theta. Right. Sec theta. Reciprocal of cos theta means H by A. Hypotenuse by adjacent side. Hypotenuse by adjacent side. Length of hypotenuse is AC. Length of adjacent side is BC. You know very well. AC length is denoted by small case letter B. Now BC is denoted by small case letter is A. Now product of cos theta into secant theta, that is equals, yes, cos theta value A by B into secant theta value B by A. A get cancelled, B get cancelled, we should get 1. Hence, we know that cos theta reciprocal is secant theta with the help of right angle triangle. So, thus we can say that cos theta is equals to 1 by secant theta, or secant theta equals to 1 by cos theta. Here cos and secant theta both are reciprocal together. Reciprocal, we are going to that in the relationship between the trigonometric ratios. In the first note is reciprocal relationship between certain trigonometric ratios. In the third one is tan theta and cot theta. Tan theta. As you know, tan theta is between O by A. O by A, O means opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side value is here AB with respect to this diagram. Adjacent side is BC with respect to this diagram. Now AB length is denoted by C, BC length is denoted by A. Right. Next, cot theta. As you know, cot theta reciprocal is tan theta. Here adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by opposite side. That is equal. Adjacent side nothing but BC. Opposite side is nothing but AB. Right, children? Now BC also denoted by small case letter A and AB is also denoted by small case letter C. Now product of tan theta into cot theta, that is equals to C by A into A by C. Here A get cancelled, CC get cancelled, we should get 1. Tan theta into cot theta equals 1. Hence, tan theta and cot theta are both are reciprocal to each other. Thus we can say that tan theta is equals to 1 by cot theta or cot theta, tangent theta is equals to tangent theta. Simply we can say that cot theta by 1 by tan theta. This is the way of reciprocal relationship between certain trigonometric ratios. I explained very clearly about sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Sin and cosec are both are reciprocal to each other. Cos theta and secant theta both are reciprocal to each other. As well as tan theta and cot theta both are reciprocal to each other. If I ask to you sin theta means you can say reciprocal 1 by cosec theta. If I know if condition cosec theta equals to 1 by sin theta. Hence next one cos theta equals to 1 by secant theta. Secant theta equals to 1 by cos theta. Next third one tan theta equals to 1 by cot theta. Cot theta equals to 1 by tan theta. These are the main 3 trigonometric ratios are there. Its reciprocals also 3 are there. Total 6 trigonometric ratios